Okay, hey, welcome back to my channel. Today's video tutorial is just a quick get ready with me. This is how I do my makeup when I need to do my makeup in a hurry. So it's probably like my 10-minute makeup tutorial. So my 10-minute makeup look. Anyway, so we've started with some Goodness moisturizer and also some chia seed serum oil from the same company. Now I'm just using the Maybelline Chrome Master in Nude. I'm just putting that all over the face. I like to have a bit of a glowy base. Now I'm using the Maybelline Superstay Primer all over my face. Looking real cute with that unicorn headband. Now I'm taking my foundation. Yes, and I'm taking my beauty blender and I'm blending that foundation out. I've actually mixed it with my primer as well to kind of give it a more light, natural look rather than having it quite heavy and cakey. So just blending it out, and we're on to the eyebrows. Just trying to use up the last of my eyebrow product. So this is the L'Oreal. It's like a duo. Got a waxy kind of gel, and then on the other side is a powder. So it's gone with the waxy side, and then I go ahead and define my brows a little bit more with the powder. I hate that eyebrow, like, honestly, it's like the hardest work I have to do with my face. And I'm just gonna feather out lightly the front of my eyebrows. So the brows are done, and we're going in just with a warm taupe shape, so it's quite natural, but it also gives the eyes a bit of definition. So I'm just taking it through the crease, over the lid, and under the lower lash line. And we're just blending it out, softening it out a little bit, making sure there's no harsh lines, because that's the key. Taking my NYX Lingerie matte palette, and just taking like a nice peachy pink colour on the lid. And just blending it out. That's beautiful. Applying my mascara, my Maybelline Lash Sensation in black, and I'm just doing my mascara. Now I'm taking my Thin Lizzy 6-in-1 bronzer, and I'm just contouring and bronzing up my face, giving myself a bit of definition all around. Taking a bigger brush because that little brush just wasn't cutting it for me. So there we are, we're bronzing it all up. Looking fab. Now I'm taking my Maybelline Master Blush palette, and I'm just taking the lightest pink colour and the highlighter out of that palette as well, and highlighting my face. I am that girl that wears like way too much highlighter. And I'm just taking my The Balm lip gloss. And that is it. That is the finished look. Oh, kisses. So this is my kind of like everyday kind of quick makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead and subscribe and thumbs up and comment. And I really hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. I love y'all.